Alright, so on this side of the fuse, this is where the DC cable coming in. So on this side, you're getting continuity to here. Next side of the fuse, nothing. Yeah, look like the fuse blow. Yeah, right. Alright, trying a little bypass here. So, continuity from where the DC voltage coming in. Alright, so coming in at the side of the fuse, or bypassing the fuse, and getting voltage up here on this trace here, and this trace here. Right, so the fuse bypass. Alright, have a little fix now. I'll put a fuse in line, probably a normal fuse holder on the red wire down here with a 2 amp fuse to replace that fuse. Hopefully that will fix the problem and still have a fuse in line. Alright, so I replaced I bypassed the fuse on the PCB board, and I put in this old school 2 amp fuse holder in there. Alright, hook it back up, going back there. Alright, plug in the cable, switching it on. Okay. Nothing comes easy to the blessed ones.